Students, how are you? Today we'll review from المعاصر book, from the book exercise, revision to algebra. Question number 1, look at with me here. Choose the correct answer from those given. If A, P, 2 and 3 are proportional quantities, then B over A equal. We can write here A over B will be equal to over 3. First over second equals third of the fourth. So we want to find the ratio between B over A. B and A equals 3 over 2. We can find the inverse about this fraction. Write 3 over 2. We must choose letter A about this question. Question number 2. If 2, 6, 6 and x plus 15 are proportional. They are proportional. Then x equal space. We know 2, 6 and x plus 15 are proportional. It's meaning 2 over 6 equals 6 over x plus 15. And we can find the result by simplest the result by multiplication about extremes equal the multiplication about extremes. Okay, I will solve it again about steps. Look at with me here. We know 2 over 6, it will be 6 over x plus 15. Then x plus 15 equals 6 times 6 divided by 2. X plus 15, it will 6 divided by 3 by 2 equal 3. 3 times 6 equal 18. Then x will be equal what? Equal 3. Okay, then x equal here 3. Question number 3. If x multiply y equal 12, then y varies directly with space. We have here y directly with what? We have here x and y. Then x multiply y equal 12, then x equal 12 over y. We can cancel equal and 12 and write the sign here. X will be varies directly by 1 over y. 1 over y here. Then y will be varies directly by x, y by x. We must choose 1 over x. Okay, then y varies directly with 1 over x, letter A. But y varies inverse relation here with x. Y will be inverse relation with x, but he asked about directly by the total 1 over x. Question number 4. If y varies inversely with x and x equal root 3, when y equal 2 over root 3, then the constant of proportion equal. He asked about constant of proportional. We know x and y inversely. X varies inversely with y. So y varies inversely by x. It's meaning y will be constant k over x, such that k not equal 0. I will complete here. Okay, x equal root 3. We must write x here 3 root 3 and y equal 2 over 3. So we can write here cancel y and write 2 over root 3 equal k over x. X equal root 3. Okay, again y equal 2 over root 3 here. We can cancel y and write 2 over root 3 and k over x. X equal root 3, write root 3 here. Then we can cancel x and this number x root 3 by root 3. We can cancel x by x here. Okay, so k will be equal to, again, y varies inversely with x, it's meaning y inversely by 1 here in denominator and x in denominator. Okay, right, y inversely by x, y inversely by 1 over x. Here it's meaning directly, y directly by the total here, but he asked about y inversely with x, y inversely with x. So y equal k over x, but y equal 2 over root 3 here, and x was root 3. Cancel root 3 by root 3, then k will be equal to. Question number 5. If a over b equal c over d equal e over f equal m, where m polling to r star, it's meaning real number without 0, then a multiply c multiply e over b multiply d multiply f equal. We can find the result by multiplication about 3 terms. It's meaning a over b multiply c over d multiply e over f. It will be m multiply m multiply m, because each value of one of them equal m. Then the result will be m power 3. We must choose letter C about this question. Question number 6. If a over 3 equal b over 5, then 5a minus 3b plus 7 equal space. We know 3 times b equal 5 multiply a, because the product of extremes equals the product of means. So the difference between 3b and 5a, it will be 0. 0 plus 7 equal 7. So we must write here 7. Next paper here, question number 2. If a over b minus a equals c over d minus c, prove that a, b, c, and d are proportional. To prove that a and b and c are proportional, we must doing product of streams and product of means. We know the product of streams multiplies the product of means equal itself. Okay, the product of streams equal what? A multiply d minus c. We can solve it here. Okay, a multiply d minus c in brackets. The product of extremes equals the product of means. We have product of means here, a multiply d minus c equal c multiply b subtract by a. A multiply d, it will be ed, and a multiply c, it will be a equal e times c, and c times b equals cp subtract c times a equal ca. Okay, ca. We can cancel ac by ac, then ad will be equal cb. So we can convert it to fractions. A here multiply by d, a multiply by d, and we can write here b multiply by c. Again, a times d, it's meaning ad, and c multiply b, it's meaning cb. So a over b equals c over d, then a and b, c, d are proportional. You prove that about these tips. We must know these tips about this example. Okay, question letter B here. If y equal a minus 1 and a inversely with x power 2, a inversely about x power 2, and a equal 4 when x equal 2, then find the relation between y and x. Okay, I will solve it here. Okay, pay attention about y and a constant here. Okay, and a equal 4, and a was inversely by x power 2. It's meaning a equal k over x power 2, which k constant, not equal 0. So a will be equal k over x power 2, and a equal 4 when x equal 2. We can write here, cancel a and write 4 equal constant here, k over x power 2 power 2 equal 4. So k will be 4 times 4 equals 16. Then the relation between y and x we can get it by this here a. We can cancel k here, so a will be, k will be 16. Okay, a equal 4 times 4 equals 16, then a equal 16 over x power 2. Okay, so we must write in this relation y equal a minus 1. We must cancel a here and write 16 over x power 2. So the relation between y and x, y, look at here, y will be a was 16 over x power 2. We must put it here, it will be 16 over x power 2 minus 1. It's the relation between y and x. And then we want to find the value of x equal what? When y equal 8, right? Y equal 8 in this relation. So y will be 8. 8 equals 16 over x power 2. I will solve it here, okay? I will put y here equal 8. 8 equal what? 16 over x power 2 minus 1. We can move this term from right hand side and left hand side. So 16 over x power 2 will be 1 subtract by, we have here negative 1 here, okay? And y equal 16 over x power 2 minus 1. Cancel this number here and moving negative 1 from right hand side to left hand side and change the sign here, it will be positive, okay? Positive 1 plus 8, it will be 9. Then 16 over x power 2 equal 9. We can find x power 2, product about extremes, equals the product of means. 16 times 1 over 9. It will be 16 over 9. So x will be positive or negative square root of 16 over 9. It will be 4 over 3. Write the result. X equal positive or negative. Square root of 16 will be 4 over here 3. So x will be positive or negative 4 over 3. Question number 3. If x plus y over 5 equal y plus z over 3 equals z plus x over 6, prove that x minus z over 2 equal x plus y plus z over 7. We can find the relation here, x minus z, by subtract between, find the difference between first proportional here, and here second proportional. We can cancel it, multiplication, the second proportional here by negative 1 and add them together. Multiplication, the second ratio here by negative 1 and add them. Then we can get here x plus y subtract y subtract z over 5 minus 3 equal, we can find the result here. Again, I do this operation by multiplication, the ratio, second ratio here by multiplication by negative 1 and add the result to the first ratio. Then the result will be x plus y minus z over 5 minus 3. We know 5 minus 3 equal 2 and we can cancel negative y by y. So the result will be x minus z. It will be equal 1 of the given ratios. 1 of the given ratio. Okay, 1 of the given ratio. Second step, we can find x plus y plus z over 7 by adding the antecedent and consequent of the 3 ratio. We can find x plus y plus z by adding the antecedents and consequence of 3 ratios. You can write here, you can write in your paper, okay? Write this word, adding the antecedents and consequence of 3 ratio, and do this operation. X plus y plus y plus z plus z plus x, x plus x, it will be 2x. Okay, we can add all antecedents here. X plus x equal to x, y plus y equal to y, and z plus z equal to z. This is over 5 plus 3 plus 8. 5 plus 3 equal 5 plus 3 plus 6. 5 plus 3 equal 8. 8 plus 6 equal 14. and we can divide it by 2 numerator and numerators, so we can get x plus y plus z divided by 2. Here it will be 7 equal one of the given ratio. From relation number 1 and relation number 2, then we can get x minus z over 2 equal x plus y plus z over 7. Okay, it's okay. We must know all properties about this example. Question here, prove that. Next question, look at here. If A and B, A, B, C and D are proportional quantities, prove that 2A plus 3B over 2C plus 3D equal A over C. Such that A over B, A, B, C, and D are proportional quantities, then such that we must write there, such that A, B, C, and D are proportional quantities, then A over B equals C over D equal K, and K constant not equal 0. Then A will be B multiply K, and C equal D multiply K. Okay, we must know this relation, and we must prove that left hand side equal right hand side. We must prove that. Okay, I will write here. We can write. I will prove it here again. Okay, A equal BK and C equal DK. Okay, left hand side here equal 2A plus 3B over 2C plus 3D. We can write 2 multiply A here, 2 multiply BK, cancel A and write BK, 2BK plus 3 times P, B here 3B, and 2C, 2 multiply 3C equal D multiply K plus 3D, and we can write here 3D. Then we can write outside here about first and second. It will be equal what? We have 2DK plus 3D and 2BK plus, we can write P outside from numerator. Result will be 2K, right, height common factor between them, B outside. This will be 2 plus 2K plus 3, 2K plus 3, and denominator here D outside. The result will be 2K plus 3, and we can cancel two expression by itself here, divided by 1. 2K plus 3 divided each expression 1 times this expression will be B over D. It's relation number 1. And what about right hand side? It will be A over C. We can write A here equal B multiply K. Look at here, A equal BK and C equal D multiply K. We can cancel K by K. The result will be B over D. It's relation number 2. From relation number 1 and 2, the left hand side will be equal right hand side. It's okay. It was question letter B about question number 3. Question number 4. Look at here. If A equal 5A equal 3B, then find the value about 7A plus 9B over 4A plus 2B. We know 5A equal 3B. Then we can write proportional here. A multiplied by 5. A multiplied 5 is the product of extremes equals the product of means. And B times 3. B times 3. We can write here constant M, and the M not equal 0, it's constant. So the value about this example, 7A plus 9B over 4A plus 2B equal 7 times A. We can cancel A and write A equals 3M. Okay, A equal 3M. A equals 3m and B equal 5m. We can cancel A here and write 3m about A. Okay, understood? 7 multiply A. Cancel A and write 3m. 7 multiply 3m. Plus 9 multiply B. B equal 5m. Multiply 5m. 4 multiply A. A equals 3m. 4 times 3m. Plus 2 times B. B equal 5m. 2 times 5m. The result will be here. 3 times 7 equal 21m. 5 times 9 equal 45m. Over 3 times 4 equal 12m. Plus 10m. The result will be 12 plus 21 plus 45. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 66m. Over 2 plus 0 equal 2. 1 plus 1 equal 2. We can find the result. M divided M equal 1. 66 divided 22 equal 3. So the result will be 3 about this example. Okay, the value will be equal 3. Question letter B here. If B is the middle proportional between A and C, prove that A minus B over A minus C equal B over B plus C. We can prove that about B is the middle proportional about A and C, then A over such that we can write this word. You must write on notebook such that B is the middle proportional about A and C, then A over what? B equal B over C. We must put M here, then A will be equal A equal Cm power 2 and B will be equal Cm. So we must working about left hand side and right hand side and prove left hand side equal right hand side. Okay, my students, I will prove that in your paper. Okay, write with me about all steps here. Okay, right here, left hand side A minus B and right hand side B over, look at here, I will write it here. Okay, left hand side equal A minus B over A minus C. A minus B here, A equals Cm power 2, subtract B equal Cm, over A minus C, A equals Cm power 2, subtract by C. Okay, A and B, I will A and B let here, and then we can cancel Cm because Cm is the least common height common factor between them. So we can divide the Cm power 2 by Cm, the result will be M, subtract by Cm divided by Cm equal 1, and Cm power 2 and C, we can write C outside height common factor between them. What's repeating? Cm power 2 divided by C equal M power 2, subtract by 1. We can cancel C by C and we can simplify it by M outside and M minus 1. In the numerator M minus M power 2 minus 1, the difference between two square here, we can write M minus 1 multiply by M plus 1. We can cancel M minus 1 and M minus 1 and then write M in the numerator here and M plus 1 in the numerator. It's relation number 1. And what about relation number 2? Here we can write right hand side equal B over B plus C. We can write here B equals Cm. We can cancel B and write it was B. Look at here, B equal Cm over B plus C. B equal Cm plus C constant. We can write Cm here and write C outside in the numerator here. The result will be M plus 1. We can cancel C by C. The result will be M over M plus 1. It will be relation number 2. From relation number 1 and relation number 2, it was equal. So left hand side will be equal right hand side. Okay, understood? Question number 5. If 4x power 2 plus y power 2 equal 4xy, prove that x and y directly about relations. Who can solve it? We can factorize about direct relation here. Okay, we can factorize it. It will be square perfect. You know, square perfect. Okay, I will solve it here. Okay, my students, I will solve it here in this space. Okay, We know 4x power 2 plus y power 2 equal 4xy. We must change 4xy from right hand side to left hand side and change the sign here. The result will be 4x power 2 and 4xy is the median between two terms. Right? Negative 4xy plus y power 2 equals 0. It's the median. So we can factorize this example. Power 2 equals 0. 4x power 2, it will be 2x subtract by y power 2 square root about the first, and the third will be y within 2x minus y will be equal 0. We can move the y here negative from left hand side to right hand side and then change the sign. 2x will be equal y. Then x equal y over 2. It's meaning x equal half of y. It's a relation about x and y. It's a direct relation about x and y. Okay, it's proof number 1 about this example. We proved it. Then find the value of x when y equal 8. X equal half of y. Okay, x equal half of y. When y equal 8, then x equal half of 8. Half of 8 equal what? 4. Then x will be equal 4. When y equal 8, then x equal 4 about this example. Okay, understood the relation here. We factorize by perfect square about 3 term here. Square root about first and the third, and then equal 0 because this term we can get square root about left hand side and right hand side. 2x minus y equals 0, and moving negative y from left hand side to right hand side, I change the sign here and divided by 2, then x equal half of y. Then we can find the relation about x and y. Letter B, if A to B to C equal 4 to 5 to 3 to 3, prove that left hand side equal right hand side. In this example, we can write A equal 4m and B equal 5m and C equal 3m and the m not equal 0. Okay, then we can prove that left hand side will be equal a minus b plus c over a plus b plus c equal a here was 4m subtract b equal 5m plus c equal 3m over a here 4m plus b equal 5m minus c equal 3m. 4 minus 5 equal negative 1. Negative 1 plus 3 equal 2m. 4 plus 5 equal 9. 9 minus 3 equals 6. We can cancel m by m, and the result will be 1 over 3 equal right hand side. Understood, my students? We must study hard all steps about this example. First, we put here e equal 4m and b equal 5m and c equal 3m, and then put about left hand side, cancel a and b and c and write here e equal 4m minus b 5m plus c equal 3m over 4m plus 5m minus 3m, and we can find is the total here 2m over 6m. We can cancel m by m because m not equal 0. It's constant about this example. So the result will be 2 over 6. We can divide it by 2 numerator and denominator. The result will be 1 over 6 is the relationship about left hand side and hand side. So left hand side will be equal right hand side. Okay, my students, we must study hard all questions. Okay, goodbye.